Hello foodies, welcome back to Deepaks kitchen. Craving for that perfect crunchy Indian snack? Today we are mastering the authentic traditional Iyengar style masala peanuts, famously known as Kadalebeeja. This is the recipe for the perfect addictive tea time crunch you've been searching for. If you love traditional recipes, please subscribe to our channel and ring that bell icon. You never miss a video. Now let's get straight to the cooking and let's see how to make this perfect and yummy Iyengar style Kadalebeeja. These are the ingredients required to make this Kadalebeeja. Take a screenshot of it. For that we require a pan. If it's a non-stick, it's much better. And we'll begin with a half kilo of raw peanuts. The first and most crucial step is to thoroughly roast in a heavy bottomed pan and roast it on a medium to low flame. Keep the heat to medium low and stir them continuously. The key is patience. Roast them until they are perfectly cooked through and develop a beautiful light golden brown in color. This careful step will take around 10 minutes. Now you can see it's after 10 minutes, you can see it's perfectly done. Keep stirring to ensure the peanuts achieve an even satisfying crunch. See that lovely color shift? That's exactly what we want. Once ready, transfer all that perfectly roasted peanuts to a clean bowl and set them aside. Allow them to cool completely. Now the peanuts are perfectly ready. We need to peel off its skin. To make that, I'm showing you an easy technique, a home technique. Just add these peanuts in a cover or a bag and just rub them with your palm, just like this. So it's perfectly get de-skinned. Now you can see it's perfectly done. Now we'll keep this de-skinned peanuts aside. With our peanuts ready, it's time to build a rich authentic flavor profile. Next step is to secret Iyengar taste, preparing a quick fragrant tempering infused with oil. So use the same pan, add a minimal amount of oil, nearly 2 tablespoons of it, and this is the main ingredient, that is the dry and crushed curry leaves. So I'm taking nearly 2 tablespoons of it. These curry leaves will give a beautiful flavor and aroma to this Kadalebeeja. Just add it into the hot oil and saute and fry until it's perfectly crisp, and it will take anywhere between 1 minute or so in a medium to low heat. And at this time we'll add the Asafoetida or the Hing, nearly 1 tablespoon of it. It's the most important flavor in this recipe. So allow the curry leaves instantly crisp and then add Hing to beautifully perfume the oil. Just a few seconds on low heat is all it takes to these authentic tempering flavors to bloom. Now we'll add some pepper powder and some turmeric, nearly a 1 teaspoon. Now let's add your essential chili powder for perfect level of heat. Add salt required to taste. Mix these well into the aromatic oil base. Just mix it well and saute it for about another 1 minute on a low to medium flame. Now the aromatic mixture is perfectly done, you can see here. Now immediately pour the warm roasted peanuts back into the pan. Toss everything quickly and thoroughly, ensuring every single peanut is perfectly coated in the freshly bloomed masala mixture. And the final touch, give it one last powerful quick mix of the heat. Look at that gorgeous authentic color. Your traditional Iyengar style Kadalebeeja is now absolutely ready to be served. There it is, your incredible homemade Congress Kadalebeeja, ready to serve with this crunchy, flavorful snack at your next gathering, and watch how fast it disappears. If you found this quick and authentic recipe helpful, please show your support by giving this video a big thumbs up. And I love reading your ideas, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe to Deepaks Kitchen for more traditional recipes. Thank you for watching and happy cooking. We'll meet you in next one. Till then, Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara.